Who puts a playground up here?
This is your pre-workout? This is your workout?
Yeah.
Oh, this is literally a gym. I didn't do an intro at the beginning because I got too lazy, but I figured might as well do an intro in the middle of the hike. It's one steep fucking hill. I'm extremely out of shape. My group has gone on in front of me. I'm also carrying a lot of equipment. Got a GoPro, 5D Mark III, and my Mavic in my backpack. I'm sweating up like a monster. There's Taipei 101 right there. Hopefully, once we get to the top, there'll be a lot better view.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
Just completed hiking all the way up to the top of the Elephant Mountain.
All the way.
All the way.
Nothing can stop me.
So it's about what, 500 meters from the bottom?
Yes, I
It's-
think roughly. 578.
Here's some pro tips.
Jen about 400 of
Shut up!
Not.
So pro tip, don't wear jeans. Don't carry a heavy ass backpack or camera.
Bring water!
Yes, bring water and bring some snacks.
Yeah, don't be like Dalton. Bring water.
Yeah, don't just bring cameras. And you'll enjoy the hike way, way more.